In this video, I'm going to show you how to import ProGrids into a Unity project since it isn't straightforward like it used to be. So when you have your project and you want to put ProGrids in here, what you need to do is go to Window and open up the Package Manager. It should open a new window. And what you need to do is click on this plus, this little drop down, and go to Add Package from Get URL. In this little box, you need to type com dot unity dot progrids, one word, PROGRIDS, and then click add. If you did type it in correctly, it should then grab it from Git and import it into your project. So just give it a moment. And you should be good to go. You should be able then to go to Tools and turn on your ProGrids.